Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for a quick and easy hairstyle, then I need you to keep on scrolling because this hairstyle took some hours. So I decided to do some small passion twists, and yes, I went ahead and completed the back of my head already. For the hair, I used the Lulutress brand Water Wave in 18 inches. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. I brought 5 packs, but I only used 2 packs of the hair for this entire hairstyle. So starting off, I'm just going to take down the first section. After I wash my hair, I just rolled it in a bun and let it air dry because honestly, I don't blow dry my hair every wash day. It's exhausting. I just want to wash it, style it, and be done with it. So I'm applying some leave-in conditioner before I begin because my hair is a little dry right now. So it definitely needs some moisture. And as far as parting goes, I just use my fingers to part the back of my head, and I will be doing the same with some of the parts in the front. So going in with some Shine Jam first, I'm just applying a small piece size to the roots of my hair. You really don't need a lot. And I'm going to take a section of the Water Wave hair, and I'm just going to split that in half. And it should come out looking something like this. And I'm just going to start off with a braid first, making my hair the third strand. This hair was super soft, by the way, so I had to make sure I had a good grip on it at the roots. Okay, and once I begin braiding, maybe about 3 or 4 times down, once my natural hair meets back in the middle, I split that in half and I begin twisting all the way down to my desired length. I went back in with some Shine Jam and I'm just going to apply that to my hair just to slick it down a little bit. So now as I'm twisting, I'm just twirling the hair around my fingers and I'm going to twist right over left. And I just do that same motion all the way down till I get to my desired length. Okay, so now that I'm at my desired length, I'm going to seal it off with a rubber band and cut off the remainder of the hair. And I'll just reiterate that again one more time before I stop talking and complete the rest of my hair. Okay, so again, I'm just going to start off with a braid first, making my hair the third strand, and I just braid down a few times. And once my natural hair gets back in the middle, I'll go ahead and split that in half. And I take some Shine Jam and just apply it to my hair just to slick it down. And I twirl the hair around my fingers and begin twisting all the way down. So actually, I'm just kind of finger twirling and twisting, and I'm twisting right over left. So I'm finger twirling and twisting all the way down. And once I get to my desired length, I'll go ahead and seal it off with a rubber band, and then I cut off the remainder of the hair. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite products. It's braiding gel from Colors and Care. This is the Maximum Hold. This is the only product that I use on my edges besides the Eco Styling Gel. But this has to be one of my favorites. Okay, guys, and this is the finished look. And I actually want to go ahead and just style my hair because I don't like hair on my face. So I'm going to do one of my favorite hairstyles, the half up and half down. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.